Have you ever found yourself unexpectedly depleting your funds within a short period of time? Are you constantly concerned about the dwindling balance in your bank account as each month draws to a close? If these situations sound familiar, it's time to evaluate your habits and make some improvements. Just like the numerous successful individuals, cultivating the right habits is vital for achieving financial prosperity. In this video, I will discuss 7 habits that hinder your path to financial success. Throughout this video, we'll connect these habits with real-life examples, giving you insights into the practices of successful individuals. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow and the inspiration to take action. Number 1. Invest in yourself. One of the key habits that set rich and successful individuals apart is their unwavering commitment to self-investment. They understand that their greatest asset is not their bank account, but rather their own knowledge, skills, and mindset. So how can you invest in yourself and unlock your full potential? It starts with embracing the power of continuous learning. Make education a priority in your life. Expand your knowledge through reading books, attending seminars, or enrolling in online courses. Seek out opportunities to gain new insights and perspectives in areas that align with your goals and interests. Remember, investing in yourself should be a lifelong journey. Let's take a page from the book of Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur and billionaire. Musk is known for his insatiable appetite for knowledge. He immerses himself in books, delving into various subjects ranging from science and technology to philosophy and psychology. By consistently learning and expanding his understanding, Musk has been able to revolutionize multiple industries and build extraordinary wealth. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning can unlock doors of opportunity and pave the way for personal and professional growth. When you invest in yourself, you open up possibilities for innovation, problem solving, and adapting to a rapidly changing world. Remember, the more you learn, the more valuable you become. Now it's time for you to take action. Commit to investing in yourself and your growth. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for learning. Seek out educational resources that resonate with you and align with your aspirations. Join communities of like-minded individuals who share your thirst for knowledge and personal development. Remember, investing in yourself is an investment that yields lifelong returns. Number 2. Long-term financial planning. Another crucial habit of the wealthy is smart spending and long-term financial planning. It's not just about how much money you earn, but how you manage and allocate it wisely. Start by creating a budget. Understand your income, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Budgeting helps you gain control over your finances, avoid unnecessary debt, and free up funds for the more important investments. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our time, emphasizes the importance of smart spending. He famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." By prioritizing savings and investments, you can harness the power of compounding and building wealth over time. Long-term financial planning is equally vital. Set clear financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Break down your goals into actionable steps and set deadlines to hold yourself accountable. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So start investing in yourself and take control of your finances through smart spending and long-term planning. The journey to financial freedom begins with these essential habits. Number 3. Continuous learning. One of the habits that rich and successful individuals prioritize is continuous learning, especially in the realm of financial education. They understand that the world of money is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to making informed decisions. So, how can you enhance your financial education? Start by immersing yourself in resources that expand your understanding of personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to navigate the complex financial landscape. Take a cue from successful individuals like Warren Buffett. Known for his voracious reading habit, Buffett credits his financial knowledge as a key driver of his success. By continuously educating himself, he gained the insights and understanding needed to make shrewd investment decisions. Number 4. Invest in assets. Another vital habit of the wealthy is investing in assets and creating multiple income streams. They understand that relying on a single source of income can be risky and limit their financial growth potential. Start by diversifying your investments. Consider opportunities like real estate, stocks, bonds, or starting a business. These assets have the potential to appreciate in value or generate passive income, adding to your overall wealth. Look at individuals like Elon Musk, who not only invested in successful companies like Tesla and SpaceX, but also diversified his interests across different industries. By doing so, he created multiple income streams, expanding his wealth and financial security. Remember, continuous learning and diversifying your income sources are essential for long-term financial success. By staying informed and expanding your investments, you can build a robust financial foundation and unlock greater opportunities for wealth creation. So, commit to continuous learning and explore investment opportunities that align with your financial goals. Take charge of your financial future by following in the footsteps of the successful. Number 5. Live below your means. One key habit that sets the wealthy apart is their ability to live below their means. While it may seem counterintuitive, this practice allows them to prioritize wealth accumulation over extravagant spending. So, how can you start living below your means? It begins with adopting a mindset of delayed gratification. Instead of indulging in every fleeting desire, focus on long-term financial goals. Differentiate between needs and wants and make conscious choices to save and invest rather than splurge. Look to the legendary investor Warren Buffett. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett has famously lived in the same house for decades and avoided lavish spending. His disciplined approach to living below his means has played a significant role in his journey to becoming one of the richest individuals in the world. Number 6. Surround yourself with rich people. Another habit of the wealthy is surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals. They understand the power of association and how it can positively influence their mindset, opportunities, and success. Consider seeking out networking groups, mastermind communities, or mentorship programs where you can connect with individuals who share your goals and aspirations. Engage in conversations with those who have achieved financial success, learn from their experiences, and be inspired by their achievements. Take a cue from successful entrepreneurs who actively seek out rich and influential networks. Elon Musk, for instance, has been known to connect with other visionaries in the tech and business world. By surrounding himself with accomplished individuals, he has been able to leverage their knowledge and opportunities to fuel his own success. Number 7. Take action and win the game. Ultimately, the wealthy understand that success comes from taking action. They don't just dream and plan, they execute their strategies with determination and resilience. Take a moment to reflect on your own financial goals. What steps can you take today to move closer to achieving them? Embrace a proactive mindset, set clear action plans, and commit to consistent effort. Remember, wealth is not achieved overnight. It requires perseverance and a willingness to take calculated risks. Look at individuals like Oprah Winfrey, who turned her dreams into reality through hard work and relentless action. By consistently taking steps towards her goals, she transformed herself into a media mogul and one of the most influential figures in the world. Living below your means, surrounding yourself with successful individuals, and taking action are crucial habits that can pave the way to financial triumph. Remember, you have the power to create your own success story by adopting these practices and staying committed to your goals. So, make the choice today to live below your means, connect with inspiring individuals, and take decisive action towards your financial goals. The path to financial victory starts with you. Congratulations, you've gained valuable insights into the habits of the rich and successful. Now it's time to connect those insights with your own financial journey. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial future and achieve the wealth and success you desire. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your financial game, the key lies in taking action. The habits we've explored today are not just reserved for the elite. They can be embraced by anyone willing to put in the effort and commitment. So I want to encourage you to take the first step. Make a decision to implement at least one of these habits into your life starting today. It could be investing in your education, creating a budget, or seeking out like-minded individuals who can support your journey.